unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated means the hydrocarbon in which carbon atoms are connected by single covalent bond, but in the unsaturated hydrocarbon, carbon atoms are connected by multiple bonds, either 2 or 3. The hydrocarbon in which carbon atoms are connected by multiple bonds, either 2 or 3 is called what? Unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, it is divided into two groups. This unsaturated hydrocarbon is divided into two groups. One is alkene, another is alkyne. I forgot to tell you that saturated hydrocarbon is also called alkane. Unsaturated hydrocarbon is divided into two parts. One is alkene, another is alkyne. Okay, unsaturated hydrocarbon are those hydrocarbon in which carbon atoms are connected by multiple bonds, either 2 or 3. Are you clear? And this unsaturated hydrocarbon is further divided into two groups. One is alkene and another is alkane. In alkene, the carbon atoms are connected by, in this alkene, at least 2 carbon atoms are connected by double covalent bond. Okay, in alkyne, at least 2 carbon atoms are connected by triple bond. It is not necessary that all carbon atoms should be bonded by triple bond. If at least 2 carbon atoms are connected by triple bond, then it will be alkyne. Okay, it is not necessary that all carbon atoms are bonded by double bond. If 2 carbon atoms are bonded by double bond, then that hydrocarbon will be alkene. Are you clear? I think you are clear. In alkene, at least 2 carbon atoms are connected by double bond, and in alkyne, at least 2 carbon atoms are connected by triple bond. Now we are going to see alkene at first. Alkene. The hydrocarbon in which carbon atoms are connected by at least 2 carbon atoms are connected by double covalent bond. Alkene. It is also called olefins. It is also called olefins भन्छ है यसलाई. They are also called olefins. The general formula of this alkene is, the general formula of alkene is what? CnH2n. This is important, please remember this. It is also called olefins, and the general formula of the alkene is CnH2n. I have already described the definition. In alkene, at least 2 carbons should be connected by double bonds. Example, see here, example, ethene, propene, butene, pentene, etc. Now let's move on. Now let's see about the members of alkene and write their IUPAC name. Okay, members of alkene. What is the general formula? CnH2n. This is the general formula. Serial number of carbon atoms, and then what will be the molecular formula? Molecular formula will be this, and then what will be the word root, and then structural formula, and next IUPAC naming. Okay, at first, number 1, if the number of carbon atom is, see here, if we place 1 instead of this n, what will it become? C1H2 into 2 CH4, it will become CH4. Okay, and this is alkane, not alkene. So the first member of alkene will be not having 1 carbon atom. The first member of alkene will not have 1 carbon atom, it will have 2 carbon atoms. If the number of carbon atoms are 2, then what will be the molecular formula? C2H4. What root will be? There are 2 carbon atoms. Eth, structural formula, use this. How many carbon atoms are there? 2. 1, 2. What are we talking about? This is alkene. So there must be 2 covalent bond, double covalent bond between these carbon atoms. Okay. How many hydrogen atoms are there? 4. This carbon atom has made 2 bonding, this also 2 bonding. It means that they can form 2 bonds. This carbon atom has 2 bond left to be formed, so it will form 1 bond with hydrogen atom and another also with hydrogen atom. This will also form 1 hydrogen atom and another hydrogen atom. Okay, clear? 2 carbon atoms means eth, double bonding means in. I have already talked, primary suffix. If there are 3 number of carbon atoms, what will be the molecular formula? C3H6. What will be the word root? Prop. Draw the structural formula. Take how many carbon atoms? 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and at least there should be one double bond between two carbon atoms. Take double bond between these two carbon atoms. You can take between them also, no problem, it is same, but you can do whatever you like. I have taken here, you can take here also. Now see, how many hydrogen atoms are there? 6. Okay, and see here, we have already taken two bond between carbon atoms. You can simply take single bond between remaining carbon atoms. At least one double bond should be there. So I have already taken, so no need to take here double bond. How many more bonds can this carbon make or form? 2 had already been formed, 2 left, so 1 here, 1 here, 2 to 4 bonds have been formed by these carbon atoms. Okay, it has already gone through octet state. Here, look here, this carbon atom has formed 1, 2, 3 bonds already formed. Remaining 1 bond it will form with hydrogen. Okay, see here, 6 hydrogen were present, 1, 2, 3 has already been used, 3 remaining, and this carbon will be using this hydrogen to make bond in order to gain octet state. Are you clear? What is the name of this compound? IUPAC naming. 3 carbon means methane, meth, eth, prop, and here double bond is used, so primary suffix will be in. This compound has been named propene. Okay, this compound is named propene. Are you clear? Next, if the number of carbon is 4, what will be the molecular formula? C4H8. What will be the word root if the number of carbon is 4? But. Okay, can we draw the structural formula? Yes. How many carbon atoms? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take double bond between any 2 carbon atoms. Take here. Have you taken? Okay. See, how many hydrogen are here? 8. Start. Now, these 2 carbon atoms are bonded by 2 double bond, 2 bond, and remaining should be 1, 1. Okay, here this carbon has already formed 2 bonds, remaining 2 are left. It will form 2 bonds with 2 hydrogen atoms. Here 3 bonds have been formed by this carbon atom, remain 1 it will form with hydrogen. 3 hydrogen has been used. This carbon has 2 bonds already formed, remaining 2 it will form with hydrogen. 8 hydrogen were present, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 has been used, remaining 3 will be used by this carbon atom because it has formed only 1 bond. 1, 1, 1. Okay, octet state is gained. Now, what is the IUPAC name? Meth, eth, prop, but. But, double bond in. I think you are clear. If you are not clear, please comment about your doubts. Okay, similarly you can do about other members. Okay, now we are going to alkyne. We are going to alkyne. Alkyne. It comes under unsaturated hydrocarbon. The unsaturated hydrocarbon in which at least 2 carbon atoms are connected by triple bonds. Triple bonds is called alkyne. Okay, please note it down. Okay, alkyne. Alkyne is the unsaturated hydrocarbon in which at least two carbon atoms are bonded by triple bonds. Are you clear? Now this alkyne, the general formula of alkyne is CnH2n-2, CnH2n-2, where n is equal to 1 2 3 4, means number of carbon atoms. Now we will see the members of unsaturated hydrocarbon, means alkyne. Serial number of carbon atom, Antishwari word root, structural, at first molecular formula, and then structural formula, and then next is IPSC name. Now at first, if the number of carbon atom is 2, for 1 it is not possible. Okay, you cannot get unsaturated hydrocarbon having carbon 1. Okay, you can get saturated hydrocarbon, but you cannot get unsaturated hydrocarbon having carbon number 1. Unsaturated hydrocarbon always starts from carbon number 2. If the number of carbon atom is 2, what will be the word root? Eth. What will be the molecular formula? Use this general formula. CnH2n-2, C2H4-2 is 2, C2H2 is the molecular formula. How many carbon atoms are there? 2. 1, 2. How many bonds will be there? 3 bonds between carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3. Okay. How many hydrogen are there? 2. Here 1, here 1. Because it has already formed 3 bonds, it also has formed 3 bonds. Means 1 bonds are left, which are fulfilled by hydrogen. What is the name of this compound? 2 carbon atoms. IPSC name is eth. 3 bond means ethine. Number of carbon atoms 3. What will be the word root? Prop. What will be the molecular formula? C3H2 into 3 is 6. 6 minus 2, 4. Okay, how many carbon atoms? 3. 1, 2, 3. Take 3 bonds between 2 carbon atoms, any 2 carbon atoms. I will take this 1, 2, 3. For remaining carbon atoms, single bond. This carbon has formed how many bonds? 3 bonds. One is left, it will form with hydrogen. Similarly, this, it has already formed 4 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so no need to place hydrogen here because it has already formed 4 bonds and it has already gained octet state. Now this carbon has only formed 1 bond with this carbon atom. It can form further 3 more bonds which will be formed with hydrogen. What will be its name? There are 3 carbon atoms, so the word will be prop, and there is at least 1 triple bond, so the primary suffix will be "-ine". So the IUPAC name is propyne. Third, if the number of carbon atoms are 4, what will be but. What will be the molecular formula? C4H86. You can draw 4 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can place 3 bonds between any 2 carbon atoms. I have placed between them 1, 1. This carbon can further form 1 bond which will be formed with hydrogen. This has already been gained octet. This can form further 2 bonds because 1, 1, only 2 bonds are formed. H. This can form 3 bonds, 1, 2, 3, means 1, 2, 3, 4. But triple bond is present between 2 carbon atoms, means "-ine". Similarly, if the carbon numbers are 5, what will be the word? Pent, C5H8. 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can draw this, you can, I think you have already understood. You can draw here 2, can draw here 2, 3. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pent, 1 bond, triple bond is present, so its primary suffix will be "-ine", pentyne. Today we have studied about saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon in this topic, in this video. If you have liked the video, if you have learned something from me, then please subscribe my channel and share my video with your friend circle so that they can also be benefited from my video. I will keep posting the other videos of this topic as well as other topics. If you want any other topics to be taught by me, then you can comment on the comment section. Thank you. Namaskar.